What's up? I'm Wizard TV. Welcome to my first video. Today I'll show you how to make a popping noise with your mouth. First, put your this thumb on your left hand in your mouth, and then push it like out. Sorry if you can't do it. It takes some practice. But that is how you do it. So yeah, please like and subscribe and comment because I really appreciate it. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!